Hi everyone. So in this video, we will explore the chart section of our product. So let me click on the chart. Okay, so we have got our chart here. So now let's first try to understand how to search for a symbol. So suppose I want to put the chart of Nifty. So I will simply type Nifty. Now here I am getting these three options. One is Nifty 50, that is index, Nifty 50 futures, and third is Nifty options. So this is very simple. You click on it and you will get the index chart. Now friends, order flow, if you want to see the order flow chart, you have to either use futures charts or you have to use the options chart. Why? Because the index does not have the volume data with it, and order flow by its nature, it's a volume data, right? Buy and sell volume. So you have to choose either futures or the options. So let me first explain about Nifty futures. So you have to click once over here. Now you are getting these 6 options. So what are these 6 options? Nifty 1 continuous futures, Nifty 2 continuous futures, Nifty 3 continuous futures, and then you have these monthly futures, which is June, July and August. So these continuous futures are made from these monthly futures. Why? Because the monthly futures get expired every month, but we make them continuous. Okay, so if you're looking for the futures chart, you should click on the Nifty 1 continuous future and you will get the continuous futures chart and order flow also. However, if you want to trade in futures and if you want to put your orders directly from the chart, you have to use the chart of Nifty monthly futures, that is June, July and August, because these are continuous contracts. They are not meant for trading but only for charting purpose. So that was about Nifty futures. Now if you want to see the chart of Nifty options, you click on here and now you see different strike prices. Just click on one strike price and you will get the chart. So this is our options chart, that is 18,550 call option, which is expiring on 8th of June. Now next question is how to get the order flow charts from this candlestick chart. So you have to click on this chart type. Here you can see it is selected as candlestick. Now you have to scroll down a little and go towards the bottom. We have two chart types, which is called imbalance and cluster. You can select either of them. There is a little difference in between them, but we will explain them later. So let's first select the imbalance chart, and now you have to zoom it a little bit. Now you can see each candle, there are different orders inside the candles. So this is called our order flow chart. Let me also show you the cluster charts. So let me click on the cluster, and this is almost the same chart. Now let me add some order flow indicators. So here if you see, we have this section called order flow, and these are by far the most important group of indicators. So here you can see the market profile indicator, volume profile indicator, VWAP band, VWAP, delta bars, market profile tick version, volume profile tick version, Y sense, bar statistics, open interest, and etc. Right. So I will show you how to add the delta bars as well as the bar statistics. So let me click on the delta bars. Now here you can see we have these delta bars. Okay, now friends, here this option is important. You can see this arrow mark. If you click on this arrow mark, you will be able to see the setting of these indicators. Okay, suppose you want to change the settings of footprint chart. Here you can see the setting and you can explore these settings. We will also explain about these settings in the coming videos in detail. Here you can also see the setting of volume. And now since delta indicator is added in this pane, so its setting is over here. Okay, so you click on that and you can explore its setting. You want cumulative delta or you want the divergences in delta. So all these things you can explore, and then you can hide also. You can hide it or you can unhide it. Simply we can also hide these, our footprint chart. We can hide it and we can unhide it. So suppose I'm keeping it in the candlestick form, and then some people complain that they are not able to see the candlestick. So it could be that your candles are hidden actually, so you'll not be able to see the candle. So let me unhide it. Now let me also add the bar statistics. Let me zoom it out a little bit. So here you see data in numerical form. The data is for volume, delta and cumulative delta. Now suppose you want to add more data to it. What you have to do, first of all, make sure that the indicators are shown by this arrow. Now when you can see the indicators, you can go to settings of the bar statistics and click on that. Whatever data you want, you can simply switch it on, so it will come into your bar statistics portion. Now let me also explain this OI profile option. This is very interesting option. By this option you can see the open interest, so you have to click on the enable OI profile. Now here we cannot see any OI profile. Why? Because this is options chart. So for looking at the OI profile, let's go to the futures chart. Now we can see the OI profile is here. So if you enable OI profile, you will be able to see. If you disable it, you will not be able to see the OI profile. You can see the OI profile for open interest, or you can see for the OI percentage change, or you can see for the volume. You can also see the cumulative data. Cumulative data means we have weekly expiries, also we have monthly expiries. So this will include all the weekly and monthly expiry data. If you want to see the data in numerical form, you can click on the show labels, and this will put in a very neat and clean compact mode. You can see the same bars in a compact mode. You can filter top 5 data. So if you optimize spacing, the charts are arranged in such a manner that the space between the candles and the OI profile is less. Then you can also change the text colors. So guys, in this introductory video of order flow, we have told you how to choose the futures chart, how you can select the order flow charts, and what are the different indicators and their settings. In the next video, we will move forward in our learning. Thank you guys.